Hey, what's going on, crew? Welcome back to the channel. If you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. But today we're going to be taking a look at some screen protectors for the Google Pixel 7. Stay locked in with me. What's going on, crew? Welcome back to the channel. So I got my screen protectors that I'm going to be using for the Google Pixel 7. Let's go ahead and take a look at how they fit with the case off or with the case on. But these are the Better Future Z AACL's screen protectors. So I'm not familiar with this company in particular, but these will offer anti-water, fully rounded edges, anti-dust, delicate touch, anti-shatter, and easy application. So let's go ahead and cut open the box. Alright, cool. So I like the packaging. It looks pretty cool. It opens up like a kind of like a book, it looks like. So you basically cut two places, or actually three places: the top, the right side, and the bottom. And then you're greeted with this installation package for the screen protectors. And it comes with this thing right here, which is gonna help you like mount the screen protectors perfectly. It looks like you get a couple of wet screen protectors for removing dirt, dust, and sterilization. A thing right here which will flatten the screen protector on the display. Some dry dust removers for dirt. Some installation and screen protector guide right here, so it'll tell you step by step how you want to do it, and it tells you that you have to remove all the dust with the anti-dust stickers, then peel off the layer found on the adhesive. Then you actually, well, step one is to wash your hands. Then please put your phone, please set your phone on the provided non-slip pad. Clean the screen thoroughly with the provided kit. Then place the applicator on top of your phone. And then after you put it on your phone, you can actually remove all the dust from the phone and peel off one of the screen protectors and fix the holes at the end. At one end of the film on the three posts on the applicator tool, and affix the top side. And then it says right here you place it on, and then using the squeegee tool you can actually start from the three holes side and gradually push any bubbles toward the edges of the screen until they disappear. And then make sure you remove all the bubbles, and then before you attempt to peel off the screen protector, and then remove the applicator. So let's go ahead and take a look at how this will go. It does have ultrasonic fingertip unlock tips as well. I'm going to put that off to the side. You get your cloth right here to clean as well, but they give you 1, 2, 3, and 4 different screen protectors, so if you mess up, you're still good. So let's go ahead and start the process. So first thing is first, I washed my hands already. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this non-stick, non-grip, actually the grip pad on the surface. Then it says to clean your screen thoroughly. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and take one of the wet wipes. I'm going to go ahead and clean that screen off just a little bit. And after I clean it off, I could put the screen protector device alignment tool on the top of it. So that's gonna actually be nice and clean. I also have a microfiber cloth, so I'll wipe off any of the residue from there as well. So now that it's clean, it says to place the applicator directly over top, and it gives you indicators which say top and bottom, so you want to actually place it right here. Okay, so if you see any dirt or dust appear on the screen, make sure you wipe that off. But the next thing you want to do is basically remove any dirt with the anti-dust stickers. So you got 6 of them right here. So let's go ahead and take a look. getting a text message. You should actually have your screen turned off so that you don't get any notifications during this process or something like that. Alright, cool. Now that I've taken off the dust and stuff like that, I'm going to go ahead and get a screen protector right here. And I'm going to align it to the holes right here. So you can see right here, it thoroughly comes undone. You can actually, right here, you can see it has two sides to it. So you want to put the side up, which says remove the film attached to the tab. And this side is the, there's only one side to it. So you want to place that. Let me get another dust remover stick. Alright guys, so this is Screen Protector 2. I'm going to start again and just make sure I do everything correctly. So I'm going to wipe down the screen, and obviously indoors there's going to be a lot of dust, so you just want to make sure none gets captured underneath the screen protector before you apply it. So what you want to do is put this thing on, which is the top on the bottom sides. You can see it says top here and bottom here. And then you can get the dust remover tool, which is right here. I'm going to remove any dust or dirt which is located on the top of the screen. Now I'm going to get the screen protector ready, and it says right here you have to actually remove you can remove that piece. So you want to put this on the top of this device, and then it says right here that you can, after it's on there, you want to use the squeegee tool to kind of press on there a little bit. Okay. So it's this side that has to be flat, because the way that it works, this side is going to peel off, but then it's weird because it's not like facing the right direction or whatever for me to take it off. So we're just gonna kind of like improvise, and I'm gonna make sure I kind of align it to the screen on this device right now. Let's get it all the way off to the right corner. Lift this up a little bit and then drop it down. So it looks like it's now aligned properly. I'm gonna go ahead and get all the bubbles out right now. Alright, so the bubbles seem to come out really easy. It's fairly easy to get those off. But this tool kind of helps because it'll help you guide, the screen protector and keep it on the display, which I really like that they included that. So I'm going to put my case on here to see if it stays sturdy when I actually take this off or whatever. So I don't see any bubbles left on the screen except for this one right here. So there was like maybe a small piece of dust, but the screen protector is now installed on here and it feels really smooth to the touch. I'm gonna give this thing some juice now and turn it on. Small piece of dust on this corner because my room is just basically a dust magnet when it comes to that. So I'm just gonna, I did try my best with this one, but you could always do it again. And let's go ahead and put my case on this device and see how that fits over top of the screen protector. it does have enough room to fit around the screen protector so it doesn't interfere with the screen protector. And it feels like the screen is really smooth to the touch. I really like the way the screen feels on here with the screen protector on it. Really slick, has a nice feel to it, so it doesn't feel sticky or anything like that. Okay, I got that last bubble out. Let's try the fingerprint sensor with this on, and it works perfectly without any interference of the screen protector. So you can see it's working perfect when it comes to unlocking it. So that's pretty much the installation. I'm pretty much gonna rock out with this screen protector on, and you know, this is gonna be my main screen protector with this device. But hopefully you guys found this installation helpful. For the screen protectors here, it comes in 4-pack. I actually used one before this one, so I have 2 left. So this is a really nice, simple and easy application process. Pretty straightforward. So hopefully you guys did find this video helpful, but I'm gonna get right back with you. But make sure you watch more videos down at the bottom, and I'll check you guys later. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.